I'm going to tell you about Compact for electrical fire prevention in 60 seconds. We believe protection begins with prevention and goes beyond installation standards. The new generation of compact molded case circuit breakers is designed to prevent electrical fires in 3 key ways. First, through integrated earth leakage protection via Micrologic VG chip unit. Second, by working with EcoStruxure power architecture to provide corrective, preventive, and predictive maintenance to help ensure the overall health of your installations. Finally, thanks to the Everlink power connection in Compact NSXM, this helps not only to reduce the risk of thermal runaway, which can potentially lead to a fire, but it also diminishes the risk of cables being pulled out of their power connections in the event of a short circuit. You can rely on our new compact breakers to keep you away from any potential issues. And that's Compact for electrical fire prevention in 60 seconds.